What is the Lingala for? To agree and to meet. Off we go. Koyokana and komonana. Number 2. What is the Lingala for? To sleep and to call. Off we go. Kolala and kubenga. Number 3. What is the Lingala for? To have and to follow. Off we go. Kozalana and kolanda. Number 4. What is the Lingala for? To talk and to agree. Off we go. Kosolola and koyokana. Number 5. Say the Lingala for to take and to have. Off we go. Kozwa and kozalana. Number 6. Say the Lingala for to be and to eat. Off we go. Kozala and kolia. Number 7. What is the Lingala for? To speak and to do. Off we go. Koloba and kosala. Number 8. What the Lingala for? To dance and to sing. Off we go. Kobina and komona. Number 9. What is the Lingala for? To know and to go. Off we go. Koyeba and kokende. Number 10 and the last one. What is the Lingala for? To read and to cook. Off we go. Kotanga and kolamba. So that's it. Well done, everyone. So don't forget to leave your score in the comment box. If you got 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10, don't forget, please just leave your score in the comment box. And please, you can also leave your suggestions or any question you got, you can leave in the comment box as well. So that's it. That's the end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.